Good morning everyone. Right now I am heading towards Motorsaki Thane as one of my friend has booked the Ninja 1000 SX, which is the latest one, and it has some new features on it like quick shifter, TFT screen, single sided exhaust, and it also has the cruise control. So let's reach there and do the unloading of the new Ninja 1000. So that's Kawasaki Unveiling showroom.
Like 1 kilometer long. अरे बाप रे बाप बड़ा सा
you have to go into the menu by pressing the select button for a long time. The first setting comes with the vehicle settings. You have the shift lamp, which you can change the engine speed. For example, if it is 4000, 5000, depending on what engine speed you want. You have the quick shifter on off option. Immobilizer lamp, basically the engine will get immobilized. And this is the rider mode. So basically if you turn on the rider mode, what will happen is that the presets mode, like the sport mode, rain mode and the road mode will get switched off. And then you get options of customizing the bike according to you. So as of now I have kept it off. Okay.
They can change all the
Settings, yes.
bikes parameters in the rider side mode.
Now in display you have two types of display. One display is this analog, where you get the lean angle and which is very informative. But again then you again have an option of changing this display to a second mode, that is mode 1. So when you take this display, so this is the kind of analogy you get. Here you don't get that kind of access and all display. So if people don't want it, they can actually go for this.
This is for the general
public.
as well as
Yeah. I think the lean angle will be only usable if you are in track. Rather than track, there is no practical use of that lean angle. Then again there is a third, date and clock is normal how you put it. Then the again next best thing is in service, if you go, you have this oil change option. So you can set when the oil change you have to do next.
intervals.
Yeah, so for example now you're getting the oil change. The next oil change you wanted in 12,000 ki jagah pe 6,000. So in 6,000 kilometers it will tell you have to service the oil.
Okay.
So this is like all rider settings, again in this you can put it. Then this is the Bluetooth connectivity. Here you go, you can pair your Bluetooth and then you can actually transfer everything from your device. You can actually do these all settings from your mobile basically.
That is the ideology app for that.
Yes. You will know where, so for example,
So with the Bluetooth I can connect the Senna and all that?
no,
Just the ideology?
only the mobile phone. What it will do is, it will, for example, you're going from point A to point B.
Okay.
So it will sync in the mobile that you started from point A, point B, how many kilometers done, in this kilometers, what was the average speed, average efficiency.
So the bike's details. will be
Yeah,
given.
everything will be getting transferred in the mobile ideology app. So this is how it works. If you keep it pressing the mode up, it will change to the different mode. For example, in the sport mode. So now I am changing the mode into road mode. Now I am changing the mode into rain mode. Okay, so this is the best part. This is the get indicator. Here you get the battery voltage, trip A, trip B. 40 degrees Celsius is the engine operating temperature. 25 is the outside degree temperature, ambient temperature. Then again you can change it from your lean angle. You know it. This is the maximum lean. This is the order. Here again you know what is the average it will show. This is the range again in the full tank. How much range you will gonna get. Average speed. This is pretty informative, I guess.
This is, I guess right now one of the best TFTs available on any
Yes. Best value for money if you make it say.
Definitely.
Because a lakh rupee upgrade, you get auto blipper, you get a quick shifter, you get aerodynamically much lighter bike.
It's pretty easy to click it.
Yes.
around
Lot of small bits and pieces that they have changed. Plus you get the mesh part, cruise control. So a lakh rupee price hike I think is pretty much justified for the kind of upgrade you're getting.
So going back home, as you would see, that was the Ninja 1000 2020 model BS6 one. So there are slight changes. ending this video over here. I have reached home